Boink? Oh, it worked. Okay, great. So we are going to be trying our best to get past that, like, area that I couldn't get past with the tentacles and the monsters and that. Oh my goodness. I need to turn my brightness up. Okay. Unfortunate development. Okay.
Hmm.
Already got a good bit, there. Just gotta jump. Stay, letting go, and it'll bounce me across. Oh no. I got eaten. And then Amy got eaten right after. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Amy! I was doing so well. Down, down I go. The minute I finish this game... Ooh, if I stand here... When the gravity comes back on, I can jump, and then I'll just be immediately there. But, like... When I finish this game... Here we go. I want to... Like... What is it that I'm looking for? I want to do more Minecraft streams. Okay, bounce, bounce, grab. Grab, grab, grab. Okay, we're safe. As long as I keep grabbing this. Here we go. Jump. Okay. And here we go. Up. Gravity. Boop. Up we go. And this is the part that I keep dying at. And what I've learned is I can just do this. Oh, Jesus, that was close. I just go here and I go straight up. And if I jump straight from, like, here... Jump down. Grab it. Okay. If I jump from, like... No! No! No, 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 no! Oh my god. What did I say? No, wait, 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 wait. I want to go up to the other thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you. Now let me grab this little bar thing. No! I didn't want to go up. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay, just don't make noise. If I jump, if I do something from right here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Gravity! Okay. Gravity, save me! Okay, I'm fine. Oh, Jesus. Woohoo. Boing, boing, boing. It's like a swing. But, you know, attached to the death walls. There we go. Alright, now I just need to wait. We're gonna go up and then we're gonna go left. There we go. Up we go. Woohoo. Boink. Boink. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is going on? No! No! No, not now! Let go! Oh my god. Oh my god. I got so far up. So it's not as hard as I think it is. It's just me overthinking it all. And let me grab Amy, come here. But yeah, it's not as hard as I think it is. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. No, not now. Not here. Okay. But yeah, like, it's not necessarily hard. All I gotta do is jump up. And jump off this, and then I'm good. Oh my god, please. There we go. It's gonna turn off? No, it isn't. Okay. Here we go. Oh! Okay. Okay, 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 okay. That was almost bad. That was almost bad. But you know, because I'm so smart, I did something epic. Okay, there we go. Okay, we good. Now I just need to stand here. There we go. It's gonna drop me. I'm gonna just stand right here. And then I'm gonna jump. And everything will be alright. Everything will be just fine. We'll just do a jump. Oh wait, that's not supposed to happen. We'll just do a jump. Come on, let me grab this for once in my life. Wait, if I just... Wait, thank you. I can just... grab that, then jump, and grab this. Okay. So, we're gonna want to go from here, I'm pretty sure. Here we go! Oh, Jesus, I don't trust this. Okay. We're gonna keep going up. Oh, Jesus. Please. I think I should just go straight up here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna jump. Then we can go up. Okay. I'm gonna let go of that. I just want to jump straight up. Oh my god, there's none of them here. I'm in a different area. If I can just, you know, make it to this thing. There we go. Is there a hibernation area in here? No. We don't want to do that. We just need to find a hibernation area so we can save. You know, it would be great if I can just get up to this. It would be awesome. Oh my god. Spinning, spinny, spinny, spin. Spinny, spin. Woo, 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 woo. Can I please? Can I? I would love it if I would, I would love it if I can just... Thank you. Now get me over there. No, spin, spin, spin. Do, 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 do. I am spinning. Boink. Please. Oh my god, no! I missed it by like an inch. Come on. Come on. No. Spinny, 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 spin. Imagine a giant monster comes by and then kills me. You know? That's what I feel like this game would do to me. I just jump straight from here and I'll be fine. Come on, come on, come on. Grab it, grab it. There we go. Okay, we're going over here. Maybe we should get that spear while we're at it, you know? Maybe not get... I'll just grab this rock. Switch hands. Okay. Oh, my control in this is so bad. Can I go down? There we go. Let me grab this. Oh my god, it doesn't want me to do anything. Okay, just fall. Just go down. Just go down. Or go to this. That's fine. And jump up. There we go. Food! That I can't really grab. Wait, actually I can. Food! Get the food! Get the food! Nom nom. No! Amy! Hold on! Oh god. Oh, wait, no, I have to drop Amy to grab the food. Forgot about that. Nom nom. Nom noms. There we go. Hey, I'm grabbing you, Amy. Come here. Come here. Amy! Boink. Got you. Now, let's just... Boink. Boink. And boink. Boink. Oh my god, I'm doing so terrible at this. I just need to go up. Right, because I got past the hard part. Or did I? Just gonna... I don't like that. I don't like those things. Are they just like mid-air jump pads? Because if so, then I love them. What are those little spidey things? I'm just gonna stay away from those. I'm gonna keep going on. It's too bright in here, I know, Amy. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god, I'm getting better at doing this. Or not, or not, or not, or not. Nope, I'm not. Boink. Okay, up. There we go. Oh. Thank you for the mid-air jump. I so much very appreciate that from you. I need to do another one from you. Thank you. And I missed you. Okay, I'm gonna have to do one more from you. Thank you. Just like there, thank you. Please don't eat me. You don't eat me. Okay. I have to go up. I have to go this way. Oh, Jesus Christ! Ah! That scared the shit out of me. Oh! What is that thing? I don't trust it. I don't trust it anymore. Oh! Go, Cross, go! Run! Oh my god, I hate this so much. I'm so scared. I don't like this. I hated that. That was scary. That scared me. This game doesn't normally jump scare me like that. Come on, let me... Blink. Up we go. It's scared. Oh, Jesus Christ, where am I? Okay, wait, no. There must be some kind of hibernation area in this area. There must be. We're in the memory conflux. Okay, is that where the brains are kept? The memory conflux? Wait, must be a hibernation area somewhere. Wait, no, why would there be? This area doesn't get affected by rain, so why would you need hibernation areas in it? I mean, it makes sense, but... Okay. Does this thing change its, you know... Is it mean in the dark? Yeah, there's a thing up here for a reason. I don't trust these things. I mean, they've proven not to hurt me, but I don't like them. Oh, we're back! We've made it! Now we go up. Oh, Jesus Christ. The General Systems bus. Oh, we've made it. We've made it. Okay, we're just gonna grab you and jump off you. Carter?
Yes.
Do you see this?
Yeah.
There we go.
I'm.
This is weird. They're little wormies. Oh my Jesus Christ. Music kicking in. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Oh no, now I'm not gonna be able to do what I want to do. Yeah, I'll just jump off this thing. Come on, let me touch the wall. Let me touch the wall. Link. Don't overshoot it. Oh my god. Yeah, just my luck. Don't overshoot it for the second time. There we go. And it's gonna send me right back to where I was before. But this time, I will continue. Oh, okay, there we go. This is where I need to go. I'm going inside of it. Oh? Oh, Jesus! Hi. Am I supposed to make you, like... Um, you're n- I want out. What? What's going on? What? Okay, I guess it's like reading me. Oh? Yeah, you're gonna let me out now? Oh my Jesus! What you doing? Looking me up? What? Huh? What? What is this for? Okay. Um, yeah, I go in there. Yeah, I went in there and then me. Yeah, I have a brain. I have brain. I have brain. I have big brain. Big brain. See? Watch me do a flip. Big brain. Can I grab you? Let's go! You're the new Amy. Or not. Ow! Wait! Wait, Amy! Hold on! Wait, no, Amy! Oh, no! No, wait. Ow! What the? Is this reaching you? I'm nodding. I'm nodding. A little animal on the floor of my chamber. I think I know what you are looking for. Oh? You're stuck in a cycle, a repeating pattern. You want a way out. Yes, I want a way out. I want a way out. I want out. Know that this does not make you special. Every living thing shares that same frustration. From microbes in the processing strata to me, who am, if you excuse me, godlike in comparison. Uh-huh, yeah, you're godlike. The good news first, in a way, I am what you are searching for. Me and my kind have as a purpose to solve that very osculating claustrophobia in the chests of you and countless others. Strange charity, you know, the unknowing recipient, whatever. I am the reluctant gift, the noble benefactors gone. No definite definitive solution has been found. In every moment, the equipment erodes to a new state of decay. Actively or individually, I can't even help myself. Then what are you doing? Then what are you doing here? There is another way, the old path. Go to the west path, the farmways, then down into the earth, as deep as you can reach, where the ancients built their temples and danced their silly rituals. They will let you through. Okay. Okay. I'll bring Amy with me. Not that it solves anyone's problems but yours. So basically what I'm going to do is I go down deep into the ground. At the end of time, none of this will matter, I suppose. But it would be nice if you took another way out. One free of frolicking in my memory arrays. There's a pretty good access shaft right there. Okay, let me take it then. Let me take it. Woohoo! Thank you. Bye-bye. Um, oh, right here. Here we go. Going down the access shaft, going down the access shaft. How long is this access shaft? I don't fucking know. Woo. Spinny. Actually, I have no idea how long this is. Okay, there we go. Up. Up we go. Come on. But there's still gravity in here. Oh god. I'm scared. Oh, wait. Oh, there's less gravity. When I jump, I actually fall. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm getting out of the gravity area. I can just jump really high now. Hey, yo, I can jump. So I guess I went into the middle of the world, I am guessing. Oh, and gravity's turning back to normal. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My computer just bugged out. There we go. And now I'm back to normal jumps. Okay. I'm gonna take a guess that this is a hibernation area. Just judging based on how this game usually works. Come on, pull myself out. Link. It would put this. Wait. Amy! Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost lost Amy. That would have been the most... Oh? Deserted wasteland. No, I don't want to go there. I am going the original way. Up we go. Come on, Amy. So there's way more for me to do. Hibernation! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've made it so far! Ooh. Ooh, a dream. Oh my god, I got an achievement. I'm the best at this game. I'm so the best. It took me so long, but I'm the best. Oh my god, the symbols are weird. What the hell? Hey, we're gonna just try our best not to die. I want to stay at that symbol. Symbols are all weird. Oh, Amy, come on. Let's go. It's time for our trip. Come on. We're going. We gotta continue going on. Yeah, we're gonna take this. We should be fine. Going on to the next section. Okay. Here we are. Back where the rain affects everything. Oh my god, that looks like normal buildings. Like generally normal buildings. What the hell? Oh, there's like sand. Whoa. I mean, is that like... There's like some buildings that are red. Down we go. Oh my god! And I'm back here! Oh my god! Wait. I have a pearl for you. What the hell are you? And what am I doing with you? Guess nothing. Bye-bye. Okay, now we need to go to the furthest. We need to go deep, deep down. And of course, immediately. Oh? Are things gonna try and hurt me still? I have a feeling they are. Can you move? There we go. Loser. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Okay, you're going back. It's a worm! Oh my god, is that the same worm? Is that same worm been in here this entire time? Oh my god. We've been reunioned again. We have been reunioned again. Okay, so I've gone to the 6 pebbles, or 5 pebbles. Now I go to... Now I need to achieve... getting through other areas. And there's that blue thing again. We're just gonna jump off. Hey, blue thing. Hey, there's a white thing over here as well. We're just gonna jump off. Oh my god! Come on! Come on! No, 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 no! Amy, 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 Amy. There you go. Okay! Ahem. And we made it past. Okay. We're gonna just wait on that. Go in. Thank you. Thank God. And there's another one. Come on, go in. Okay. Run. Just run. Just run. Just run! Oh, Jesus! Ah! Ah! Oh, oh, darling. Oh, darling. Oh, Jesus. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going. And of course you're here. Come on. Ha, tricked you, loser. Alright, now I need to just get past this part without dying. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Show the screen. Show the next screen. I'm tense. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna not touch that one because that's an evil vine. And there we go. Ah! Ahem. Ahem. Ah! Oh my God! No, not me! Let me go! I need to get Amy! Oh... Shoot! Why is that so hard to get all the way down? Hey, let me grab you. Amy. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do this fast. Stand up, walk. Then go down. The faster I do this, the less I'll have to deal with. Right, so if I do this and I jump off. Come on. Okay, Amy's not gonna be able to make that, so Amy's just gonna be stuck. Amy! Why? Why must this happen to me? And then Amy just jumped off. Oh. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and finish this next time. We've done a lot this stream. I'm gonna make a VOD of it and everything because I'm proud of myself. I might just edit this one. But yeah. Hope everyone enjoyed.